Keurig Duo Coffee Maker. Brand Keurig Color Black Special Feature Programmable Coffee Maker Type Drip Coffee Machine. What's in the box? 12-cup glass carafe included with your brewer, along with a heating plate to keep coffee hot. Brew a cup and a carafe. Use both ground coffee and K-cup pods. Height with handle open 17.63 inch height with drip cover open 18 inch. Multiple brew sizes. Brew a 6, 8, 10, or 12-cup carafe and a 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup. Compatible with Keurig Gold Tone Mesh Filter Accessory, a reusable coffee filter you can use to brew your perfect carafe. Large 60-ounce water reservoir. The 60-ounce water reservoir is shared between the single serve and carafe brewing, saving you time and